Introducing the 2023 Ford Puma ST-Line Vignale. With only 12,800 miles on the clock, this SUV is packed with top-of-the-line features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking. The grey exterior and luxury interior trim make this vehicle both stylish and comfortable. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us today or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information.